Hi everyone, my name is Michael. Did you know that you can use a hybrid inverter without a battery? Now, you heard me clear. You can use a hybrid inverter without a battery, just like this hybrid inverter. Now, it supply a output of 229 or 230 and without a battery. Now, this is what happened. This inverter is made up of some chopper transformers, capacitor, diode, resistor, and so on that makes this inverter to supply an output without a battery. This inverter PV, which we know has photovoltaic voltage, is rated 160 to 500 volts. That is, if we have a panel of 6 units rated 45 volts and we multiply 45 volts times 6, the voltage we get is going to fall between 160 volts and 500 volts. So, which means we meet up with the voltage that is rated for the inverter. Then it can allow the inverter to supply an output voltage for the building, just like this. You can see it's breaking the battery bar, which shows that it does not have any battery, which it doesn't sense battery, but it senses panel. So at the moment now, the panel is supplying 385. The other one is supplying 385 at the same time, so which means we are still within the voltage range of the inverter PV. So as you can see, now we have light in the building and we don't have a battery. So that's just the advantage of buying or purchasing an hybrid inverter. Aside for the inverter being lighter, like a very light inverter compared to a transformer-based inverter, a transformer-based inverter is more heavier than this particular inverter. But this inverter can be easily to transfer from one place to another, doing maintenance and so on. So, but the question now is that, does it mean that this inverter is more better than a transformer-based inverter? No. They have different use in different locations. A transformer-based inverter, it basically can be used much better in an industrial place. But this inverter is more preferable for a commercial use. So that's the usefulness of the both. But if you like, you can choose a transformer base, and if you like, you can choose a transformerless hybrid inverter. But what this guy is doing now, a transformerless hybrid inverter cannot do it, even though they are the same rates or they are the same capacity or they are the same hybrid inverter, because in transformer based inverter we have it in hybrid, and in non-transformer based inverter we have it in hybrid as well. And so what happens to this inverter when there is no more sun? When there's no more sun now, the voltage coming from the panel starts decreasing, and the more the voltage is decreasing, the fluctuation, the voltage on the inverter will be. Thank you for watching.